down! New machines have arrived at our construction site!
And we need to assemble it.
Let's start assembling!
We'll need our tools for this.
First, let's install the wheels!
And the motors. Now we connect the power to the motors.
Yes!
Interesting.
Perfect, Sophia.
This is so cool!
Now let's connect the lifting mechanism.
I'll do it!
Great job, Sophia. Let's connect the steering joystick.
And power it up!
Excellent!
Perfect! Now install the roof! Here we go! We have a pro who can drive a forklift! Max, come to the construction site!
Max, it's time to test the new forklift.
Got it! Awesome, it works!
Max, now try turning around.
Oh no! My toys! Those were gifts for the kids! What do I do now? It's not working! I need to call a forklift!
Hello?
Hello, I need help!
Yes?
I'd like to call a forklift, please!
Understood. Sending one now. Max, you need to help collect the blocks and load them onto the truck.
Got it! I'm on the way! Hello? Hi there! I'm here to help! Can you please help remove this branch? Of course! Yes! Thanks! Bye! tractor broke down. Daddy!
Max, what's happened?
Daddy, my tractor is broken and I wanted to fill the puddle with the sand because Sofia stuck again. I'm stuck. Oh, I'm fed up with this puddle. What a day today.
I know how to help you. We're gonna order a dump truck.
Okay.
Whoa, such a big box!
Oh, check these wheels.
In order to go off-road, a dump truck needs special wheels.
Oh, I didn't know it.
Here is a seat.
And here is the steering wheel.
Max, insert an axle.
Uh-huh.
Max, bring the wheels.
All right. Cool. We just need to assemble the dump body.
Phew, it's done.
No, Daddy, we forgot the exhaust pipe. Now we're done.
And now it's time to help Sofia and fill up the puddle with the sand.
Let's go! Sofia!
Sofia! Whew!
That's it, the puddle is filled up with the sand. Thanks, Max. From now on, I will never stuck in this puddle again. Max, today is your birthday!
And we prepared a gift for you. Open it.
I got it! This is the fire truck!
And this truck must have a seat.
It also has a steering wheel! And wheels! Wow! Oh, there are so many wires! Yeah! It looks like we're going to need tools to screw the wheels to the front and to the back.
In a fire truck, a siren is used to alert to any fire danger. Connecting the accumulator. Done! The truck is ready.
Yeah! Max, you need a uniform and the fire equipment to become a firefighter.
Max, this is a firefighting satchel. It's used in hard-to-reach areas where normal fire equipment cannot reach. Firefighters also need a fire extinguisher. Max, sit here.
Let's go! Firefighters work at fire stations.
Lightning struck the house.
We need to call the fire department urgently.
Max, we need your help, quick! Lightning struck the house and it caught fire.
Okay, got you. I'll be there. Let's go!
Run!
What a fire!
Max, thank you very much.
You are a real firefighter! Phew! What a difficult job it is to be a firefighter! This is a bulldozer! This is a crane! This is a loader on wheels! This is a crawler loader! Sophia, I really want to become a construction vehicle driver! I would really like to visit a construction site! Oh, I know a place! Let's go, Max! There is going to be a lot of construction vehicles! Wow! Wow, we're in the cabin of the real loader! The loader went down! Max, while you're fixing the engine, I'm going to check the wheels. Oh! Wow, what a view! Max, let's play with the wheels! Okay! Max, I got it! We need to check the engine's oil!
Okay.
It is mandatory to wear a helmet at a construction site. Sophia, today was a wonderful day.
Yes, I liked it very much too.
Guys, the builder is a very important profession. What do you want to become in the future? Wow, what a car! Sophia, let me play with this car too, please.
No!
No, Max, that's my car. Play with your toys. What a greedy! Well, fine, Sophia. Hello, could you please make me a car? Not a small one, but a huge one. Okay, waiting. Hey! Here! Wow! Wow, what a huge car! Let's go! Wow, the wheels are so powerful! What's that? Oh, I have an idea! Wow! Max, can I play with your car too? No, Sophia. Play with your toys. Fine, Sophia. Of course you can. Help me with the build. Let's go! Woohoo! Wow, what a power! Wow, Max! Let's test this monster truck in a real challenge and build a giant trampoline! Let's do it, Sophia! Yeah!
Cool! Yes!
Max, the challenge spot is completed! Let's go! Whoa! Max, let me take the remote. Sure. Let's go.
Come on!
Wow, that's a crazy car. Woohoo!
Cool!
Wow, Max, it almost made it. Let's try again. Let's go. The criminal is caught. Wee woo, wee woo. Wee woo, wee woo. Fire, fire. Max, why are you being so loud? Sophia, I want to become a firefighter. That's what I trained for.
Okay. Cool! Come on!
Now I'll go on a mission.
Run! Come on! Cool!
Oh, I see the fire.
Come on! Oh, no!
I don't want to be a firefighter. Max, being a firefighter is dangerous, but these people are very important. Firefighters help to get rid of the fire. They extinguish it and save people from burning rooms. Also, they provide assistance to those caught in plane crashes and car crashes. Max, they even pull cats out of trees. I know! I'll become a policewoman!
Cool!
stop! Criminal! Police!
Run! Come on!
Hey, you! Hey, you!
Stop! Stop!
Oh, no!
Aha! I got you! The criminal is caught.
No! Cool!
Oh, I'm tired. I don't want to be a policewoman. Yeah, this profession contains a lot of difficulties and dangerous moments, but people still need such services. Yes, Sophia, that's right. I got it, Sophia. Every profession is very important. Come on, come on, come on! Faster! I'm almost there! Faster! Faster! Hooray! I won! I'm the winner! I'm the winner! Winner!
Hey!
Vanellope! Buddy, actually, we won together. No, I won myself. Let's have a race. But we don't have cars. Here they come. What's that? These are our cars. Let's see who assembles it first. Fine. Let's go. Wow! What a car! Yeah, looks cool. Now check mine. We need to assemble our cars. Yes, but we don't have tools. Our friends will help us.
Way to go!
Let's turn up the fun. Talking tools? What a surprise! Okay. Yahoo! Nice engine. Wow, we have cool cars. Something is missing. We're missing sweets. Exactly. Wow. Nice cars. So, Vanellope, let's have a race. Sure. On your marks? Yeah! Let's go!
Cool!
I'll win! Victory will be mine!
Come on!
I can see the finish. I'll be first. No, I'll be. Woohoo! Wow! Friendship won the quest. Yes, cool.